Hello, I'm Hana Asim, studying in KGMU Lucknow, doing my first year MBBS, and I'll be teaching reproductive health today. तो इस चैप्टर में फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हमें पॉपुलेशन के बारे में एक जनरल ओवरव्यू दिया गया है, and then reproductive health की definition. That's a very important thing. You need to learn that total well-being in all aspects of reproduction, physical, emotional, behavioral, and so. And then family planning programs के बारे में दिया है. Yeah, there's a huge section on contraception के different methods और devices जो आप use कर सकते हैं. MTP के बारे में एक section about legalization और कितने extent तक safe है. Then we have sexually transmitted diseases and infertility as well as its treatment. Now for the question, first question is, what do you think is the significance of reproductive health in a society? तो रिप्रोडक्टिव हेल्थ की क्या सिग्निफिकेंस हो सकती है सोसाइटी में हमारे लिए? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, एसटीडीज के प्रिवेंशन के लिए बहुत जरूरी है रिप्रोडक्टिव हेल्थ की प्रॉपर इंफॉर्मेशन हो इंसान के पास. देन पॉपुलेशन कंट्रोल. Reproductively healthy society means a society that can plan its families well and that can keep its population under control. और maternal और child health care के लिए भी reproductive health बहुत जरूरी है, otherwise infant mortality rates और maternal mortality rates दोनों बढ़ जाएंगे. Second question is, suggest the aspects of reproductive health which need to be given special attention to in the present scenario. Present scenario में सबसे पहले तो family planning, that's very important. Contraception, उसके बारे में सबको एजुकेशन होनी चाहिए, एंड दैट एस्पेक्ट ऑफ रिप्रोडक्टिव हेल्थ कैन नॉट जस्ट इन्फ्लुएंस the number of children people are having, that can also influence the amount of STIs that are spread. Safe sex के बारे में education, those are two aspects that need to be given special attention to these days: contraception and safe sex. Third, is sex education necessary in schools? Why? Sex education is really necessary in schools because people who are studying in schools are the ones who are going to bear children in the long run, and they need to know how they can do it safely and how they can do it without harming society at large and themselves in particular. And then to prevent the spread of lots of myths regarding sex, because children believe all sorts of things, and it's important as responsible adults to educate them in a manner in which they don't find it very traumatizing, and they can also take it all up. They can understand what's right and what's wrong and what's safe. Do you think that reproductive health in our country has improved in the past 50 years? If yes, mention some such areas of improvement. Improvement हुआ है in general. पहली बात तो maternal और infant mortality rates का decline हुआ है. Then population growth का rate decline हुआ है. Does not mean population grow करना बंद कर दिया. It just means कि जिस rate से grow कर रही थी पहले, अब उतने rate से grow नहीं कर रही. And then a lot of people acquired the one child norm, so एक तरह से that is helping population control. So a marriageable age raise की गई है so that more responsible adults can start planning families. बच्चों की शादियां करा के obviously बहुत ही तेजी से population growth हो रही थी, and they themselves didn't realize what they were doing. Then next question. What are the suggested reasons for population explosion? Population explosion के suggested reasons, according to the book, there are just three you need to memorize. Decline in maternal and infant mortality rates, they can be 2 points in themselves, and then more people of reproducible age. Is the use of contraceptives justified? Give reasons. Yeah, the use of contraceptives is not just justified, it's necessary because it prevents unwanted conception. It helps to maintain a gap between children, so उन बच्चों की भी all round development में help कर रहा है. Then it gives you the choice whether or not to have children. एक luck का matter नहीं रह गया है. People can choose when they want to, and population explosion को control करने में help कर रहा है. Question number 7. Removal of gonads cannot be considered as a contraceptive option. Why? क्योंकि एक ideal contraceptive की features यही होते हैं कि it should be readily reversible. तो gonads को निकाल दिया, then it's not reversible anymore. First of all ये. Secondly, आपके gonads बहुत सारे hormones release करते हैं which help you in many different ways. वो सारे hormones आपकी life के कई एस्पेक्ट कंट्रोल करते हैं. So removal of those gonads would remove all of those hormones from your circulation, and then it would be very difficult to maintain an overall balance. So that's going to affect your life badly. Now, question number 8, amniocentesis for sex determination is banned in our country. Is this ban necessary for me? Yeah, sadly this ban is really necessary क्योंकि first of all it's not such a huge deal, कोई life or death का मामला है नहीं sex determination करना, but the implications if it were legal are dreary for us क्योंकि फीमेल इंफेंटिसाइड के रेट बहुत ही ज्यादा है हमारी कंट्री में. इवन आफ्टर दिस हैज बीन बैंड सम पीपल स्टिल गो आउट देयर एंड डू इट. तो अगर लीगल होता तो वी डोंट नो क्या सेक्स रेशियो बन जाता कंट्री में. इट्स रियली नेसेसरी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 9, suggest some methods to assist infertile couples to have children. There are lots of methods. क्या बोलते हैं इन सारे methods को as a group assisted reproductive technologies और ARTS. Now, सबसे पहले तो you can do in vitro fertilization followed by embryo transfer. Then embryo transfer भी दो तरीके से होता है. जब in vitro fertilization हो गया, sperm और ovum अलग दोनों पार्टनर से या फिर एक पार्टनर और एक डोनर से या दोनों डोनर्स से लिए एंड देन उसका फर्टिलाइजेशन करा. आफ्टर दैट जो एम्ब्रियो 8 ब्लास्टोमियर्स का है, ब्लास्टोमियर्स मीन्स जो सेल होते हैं जाइगोट के डिवीजन के बाद बनना शुरू करते हैं वो ब्लास्टोमियर्स होते हैं. तो अगर 8 ब्लास्टोमियर या उससे कम का सेल है तो फिर उसको फैलोपियन ट्यूब में डाला जाता है. दैट इज कॉल्ड जाइगोट इंट्राफैलोपियन ट्रांसफर. एंड अगर उससे ज्यादा का है तो उसको यूट्रस में डालते हैं. दैट्स कॉल्ड intrauterine transfer of embryo. Then next है intracytoplasmic sperm injection. sperm की कभी कभी मोटिलिटी कम होती है या फर्टिलाइजेशन की कैपेसिटी उतनी नहीं होती है, तो फिर वो sperm और ovum लेके और sperm को इंजेक्ट किया जाता है ovum के अंदर. Then artificial insemination भी in case the male is unable to ejaculate या फिर sperm count कम है, ऐसी कोई प्रॉब्लम्स है तो फिर सीमेन लेके एंड देन दैट इज introduced directly into the female genital sac. So what are the measures one has to take to prevent from contracting STDs? Measures इसमें directly listed थे. Those are the methods. First of all, you should wear condoms while having sex. Second is avoid sex with multiple partners या unknown partners. That's not a short way, but it helps in the long run because then you know a person's history and it's relatively safer. और फिर spread भी limit हो जाता है with multiple partners. It's that one partner contracted it and then they continue the cycle by giving those diseases to the other person. And third is get checked in case of doubt. For example, sometimes people might have had sex with somebody who was unknown to them and they are doubtful that this person might have an STD. So it's very important to get rid of your stigma and go get checked क्योंकि ज्यादातर STDs जो होती हैं वो जल्दी कैच करने के बाद easily treatable होती है. So it's really important to get checked. Say true or false with explanation. Abortions could happen spontaneously too. That is true. Many abortions happen spontaneously. Then infertility is defined as inability to produce a viable offspring and is always due to abnormalities or defects in the female partner. That's very wrong. Infertility is mostly, not mostly, but a lot of times, like more than 50% is for sure, it is due to defects in the male partner. That can be due to defects in either of them, but there are more chances that defects in the male. This is complete lactation could help as a natural method of contraception. Yeah. इसकी प्रॉब्लम सिर्फ यही थी कि लैक्टेशनल एमेनोरिया बोलते हैं चीज को कि फीमेल के अंदर साइकिल चल नहीं रही होती है ड्यूरिंग द पीरियड ऑफ लैक्टेशन राइट आफ्टर पार्टनरशिप, क्योंकि लैक्टेट तो मदर हैज बीन नोन टू लैक्टेट फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम आफ्टर डिलीवरी. मतलब जब तक हर बेबी सक्ल्स शी कैन लैक्टेट, लेकिन एक मैक्सिमम टाइम लिमिट होती है लैक्टेशनल एमेनोरिया ऑब्जर्व करने की, वो 6 months की होती है. After 6 months, that won't work. She'll continue with her cycles even while she's lactating. Creating awareness about sex-related aspects is an effective method to improve reproductive health of people. Obviously, if people know about these things, they'll know how to protect themselves and they'll do a better job of it. So that's true. Question number 12. Correct the following statement. Surgical methods of contraception prevent gamete formation. नहीं, सर्जिकल मेथड्स ऑफ कंट्रासेप्शन गैमीट फॉर्मेशन को नहीं रखते हैं क्योंकि उनको आप गोनाड्स पे नहीं करते हो. रिमेंबर ट्यूबेक्टमी इज परफॉर्म्ड इन द फैलोपियन ट्यूब. फैलोपियन ट्यूब का काम सिर्फ स्पर्म और एम्ब्रियो सॉरी ओवम के मीट कराने का होता है. वो स्पर्म और ओवम फॉर्म होके अलग अलग जगह से आ रहे हैं, ओवरी और टेस्टिस से वो बन के आ रहे हैं, वो मीट कराने से रोक रहा है. So they don't prevent gamete formation. You can write gamete fusion instead of formation, or instead of it, we could just write fertilization. Second, all sexually transmitted diseases are completely curable. Not all. There's most of them are, but there are exceptions. AIDS or hepatitis B को आप completely cure नहीं कर सकते. So almost all or all except कर सकते हैं. Right here we could add an exception. There's also genital herpes, AIDS, hepatitis C, genital herpes. Third, oral pills are very popular contraceptives among rural women, not among rural women, among urban women. Fourth, in ET refers to embryo transfer techniques. Embryos are always transferred into the uterus. Maybe just discussing are transferred into the uterus or the fallopian tube. That is all. Thank you.